Hi everyone, how are you all? Today we are going to discuss the chapter Nutrition in Animals. In that one we are going to discuss the digestion in ruminants. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Now we will see how the digestion is happening in ruminants. Before that, have you ever noticed that when cow, buffalo, when they are sitting, they are chewing. When they are at rest, continuously they are chewing. What they are chewing? They are chewing the chewing gum? No. We will see what they are doing and what is actually happening in this grass eating animal. They are having one speciality that when they are at rest, they can bring back the food back to their mouth. So this process is known as rumination. This process is known as rumination. When they are eating, they are swallowing the food only. They are not chewing it properly. When they are at rest, when the grass eating animals are at rest, they will bring back the food to the mouth. Bring back the food to the mouth and they will chew it properly. And this process is known as rumination, and the animals are known as ruminants. So grass eating animals are known as ruminants. Now we will see what is happening, how the digestion is occurring in the plant eating animals. You know that plant cell is made up of cellulose. The cell wall of plant cell is made up of cellulose. Cellulose is a type of carbohydrate. So it is very difficult to digest this cellulose. In human body, the digestion of cellulose is not occurring. That is why raw leaves we are not eating. We are eating by boiling or making food or something. We are eating the leaves and everything. But here in human body, the digestion of cellulose is not occurring. So to occur the digestion of cellulose, some bacteria, the presence of bacteria are necessary. They are secreting an enzyme, cellulase. The enzyme name is cellulase. Here it is cellulose, it is made up of cellulose, it is a carbohydrate, and to digest this cellulose into sugars you need an enzyme. The enzyme name is cellulase. This is produced by some of the bacteria and some of the protozoans only. So this type of special bacteria and protozoans are present in the body of these grass eating animals. These bacteria are not present in the human body. That is why the digestion of cellulose is not occurring in the body of human beings. Now we will discuss how the digestion is occurring in the grass eating animals. Now we will see how the digestion is occurring in the ruminants. The stomach of the ruminants are divided into 4 chambers. What are the 4 chambers? Rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. These are the 4 chambers in which the stomach of the ruminants are divided. In this figure you can see that clearly how the stomach is divided into 4 chambers. Now we will see what are the functions of these 4 chambers. The first one is the rumen. This is the largest chamber of the stomach. This is the largest chamber of the stomach. When you know that when the grass eating animals are getting food, they are eating it and they are not chewing it, they are just swallowing it, and this food reaches this rumen. In this rumen, the digestion will start. The bacteria are present here and the digestion will start here, and it is changing into a partial form. This partially digested food is known as curd. This partially digested food is known as curd. When they are at rest, they will bring back this curd into the mouth and they will chew it properly, and this food will mix with the saliva and the proper chewing of this food will occur in the mouth. After that again they will swallow and this food will reaches here in rumen. From rumen, this food will passes to the reticulum. In reticulum also bacteria are there. Already we have discussed the grass eating animals. Grass contains cellulose. For the digestion of cellulose, cellulase enzyme is necessary. The bacteria and some of the protozoans are producing this cellulase. So for the digestion of cellulose, presence of bacteria are necessary. So here also in reticulum, bacteria are present and almost the digestion of the food is occurring in this reticulum. From this reticulum, the food will pass into the omasum. Here you can see that one clearly. From reticulum, the food will pass into the omasum. From omasum, the absorption will start. The water is excess water will be absorbed in the omasum. After that, the concentrated food will pass into the abomasum. Abomasum is the smallest chamber of ruminants. It is the smallest chamber and water is absorbed here. After that, the concentrated food will be passed into the abomasum. Abomasum is actually the true stomach of the ruminants. Here the digestive juices and the acids are producing. The acids present in the abomasum kills the bacteria present in the food. After that, the digested food will be passed into the small intestine where the absorption of food is occurring. I hope you have understood the digestion in the ruminants. Thank you all and have a nice day.